When I say the word technology, what pops into your head? A smartphone, right? Maybe a laptop? But what if I told you the real meaning is so much bigger? That it includes something as simple as a wheel, an ancient irrigation ditch, or even a tractor? Today, we're going to look beyond the screen to understand what technology really is.
All right, here's our game plan. First, we'll nail down what technology actually is. Then, we'll look at all the different forms it takes. After that, we got to talk about the good and the bad, technology's double-edged sword. And finally, we'll take a peek at what's coming next. Let's dive in.
So, seriously, what did you think of? I'm willing to bet it was something with a screen. A phone, a computer, maybe a shiny new electric car. And look, you're not wrong. Those are definitely tech. But they're just the newest leaves on a very, very old tree. The real definition goes way, way deeper. So, let's get to that deeper meaning. We have to push past the gadgets for a second and just ask the basic question, what is technology really? Okay, here it is. This is the core of it all. See, technology isn't just the thing itself, it's the application of what we know to solve a problem. That word, application, is everything. It's not the hammer, it's the idea of hitting a nail with it. It's the simple, clever use of knowledge to make our lives just a little bit better. And this idea? It goes back thousands of years. The wheel wasn't just a round piece of wood. It was technology that let us move things we could never lift. Irrigation systems weren't just ditches, they were the tech that literally built civilizations. You can draw a straight line from these ancient game changers to a modern tractor and all the way to today's AI. Every single one is just a tool to extend what we can do naturally. So, what connects a simple wheel to a complex AI? Well, it turns out they all share some key traits. All technology is dynamic. It never sits still. It's always evolving. It's innovative, always introducing new ways of thinking. It has to be practical, right? It has to solve a real problem. And often, the most successful tech is scalable. It can grow to help more and more people. Okay, now that we have a solid definition, let's look at the many faces of tech. We're going to explore all the different categories that are shaping our world right now.
Yeah, tech isn't just one big thing. It's broken up into all these different fields. You've got information tech, like cloud computing. There's communication tech, which, let's be honest, we all live on now with video conferencing. Then you have industrial tech with factory robots, life-saving medical tech, and even agricultural tech that's changing the food we eat. It's woven into every single part of our lives.
But here's the thing. Any force this powerful, this widespread, it always has two sides. And that brings us to technology's double-edged sword, trying to balance the amazing benefits against some very real challenges. So first, let's talk about the good stuff. Why do we keep chasing these innovations? Well, because technology is this massive engine for progress. It makes us more efficient, it connects us with people across the globe, it fuels our economies, improves our health, and opens up education like never before. The upside is huge. But, and this is a big but, here are the trade-offs. On one side, we save time and we have instant access to pretty much all of human knowledge. Amazing. On the other side, we're facing huge challenges like job displacement from automation, massive security and privacy concerns, and a growing environmental problem with all our electronic waste. It's a constant balancing act. So, keeping that whole balancing act in mind, where is all of this headed? Let's turn our attention to the future and get a little glimpse of what might be just over the horizon. You know, the future doesn't just appear out of nowhere. It's being built right now on the powerful tech that's already in use today. We have AI shaping our experiences online, the Internet of Things connecting all our devices, technologies like blockchain creating secure digital systems, and of course, robotics working right alongside us. These are the building blocks for what's next. And where are these building blocks taking us? Well, expect even smarter AI woven into everything we do. Autonomous vehicles will probably become a common sight. We'll see robots in our homes, not just in factories. And immersive virtual and augmented realities? They could completely change how we work, play, and connect with each other.
When you boil it all down, it really comes back to this one simple truth. Technology is playing a massive role in shaping our society. It's not just changing things, it is constantly transforming how we live, how we work, and how we interact. It's not just a tool we use, it's a force that is actively reshaping our world.
And that leads us to the final and maybe the most important question. We've seen the power, we've seen the potential, and we've seen the problems. So as all of this tech keeps accelerating, who's responsible for managing the downsides? Is it the people who create it? Is it our governments?
Or is it all of us? It's a huge question and one we're all going to have a hand